Hello, my name is METİN. This is 382nd part of explanation of my theory. No redshift can be greater or equal to 2. No redshift can be equal or greater than 2. This is impossible. Since it is unobservable massless neutrino area of the universe. 1. Meta-sensation perception matter is frictionless, spaceless, non-expanding, non-contracting, non-atomic, non-plural, single matter that have intrinsic regular motion forms as electron motion forms, which are unique light sources in our universes. Thus, since there is no nothingness or space in matter to expand, there is no expanding phenomena in our universes. 2. No space or matter expand or narrow, no bending space or no contraction of matter, say no length contraction, no bending space. When consecutive light waves sources, electron motion forms are relocating in frictionless meta-sensation perception matter, interval between spherical ring-shaped intertwined waves change. They will contract in the motion direction and their wavepoint velocity will decrease. They will expand in the opposite direction and their wavepoint velocity will increase. This means as a light source receding from us in the direction of 180 degrees, in this point sources, waves will receding from us with maximum wavelength and maximum velocity. Here, formulas. Since z is equals to lambda at rest wavelength minus delta lambda divided by lambda, and delta lambda divided by lambda equals source velocity divided by c. If delta lambda equal or greater than at rest lambda, source velocity would be equal or exceed speed of light. If z redshift greater than 2 or equal to, or lambda greater than normal, delta lambda greater than normal lambda or equal to that, source velocity greater or equal c. Now, in these conditions, electrons become unobservable massless neutrinos because they lose their wave properties. Okay. Becomes electron motion forms, waves become jets. Okay, break. Yes. Z would be undefined. If delta lambda greater than lambda, z greater than 2 or equals 2, this means the light source exceeds the speed of light and there are jets, electrons and their waves lose their wave property. Electrons becomes massless neutrinos without waves and wavelengths. So we cannot observe them. We cannot observe them like this. Not consecutive waves from now. Okay. Jets. Only motion arrow, neutrino. Massless and unobservable area. Okay. Three. My formulas, wavepoint, any wavepoint, source velocity cosine alpha, and lambda, variable lambda minus delta lambda cosine alpha. My formulas for wavepoint velocity for each direction in opposite direction if speed of or velocity of source near the speed of light, opposite direction of the source, point wave velocity will be nearly 2 times greater than the speed of light. Okay. Receding light source in 180 degrees point of view, maximum light velocity limit is under the 2c. 2 multiplied by c. Maximum point wave velocity speed. Okay, this is under this. Okay. Maybe 1.99999. Okay. Maybe C. Exceeding speed of light, opposite direction, but not source exceeding speed of light. It's point wave velocity exceeds speed of light. This means a point on light wave, a point on light wave, I define a photon can exceed speed of light, but not as 2 multiplied by c. Under this, like this. Okay. Yes. No. Finally, MON Z14. Z equals to 1444. YADS GS 140. Z equals to 14. The distance and age calculations of galaxies with a redshift Z value of 2 and above are completely wrong. Their ages and their redshift values are completely wrong. If Z value equal or greater than 2 of a galaxy, its distance and age measurements are completely wrong. Yes. Have a good lunchtime. See you later.